Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to request and download your data on TikTok. First of all, open up your TikTok app, tap on the profile icon at the bottom, tap on the three lines at the top right corner, tap on settings and privacy, tap on accounts. Then you see the option for download your data. This is to get a copy of your data from all the TikTok apps you use. Tap on it to open up two options: request data and download data. So you go for request data. Is to request a copy of data from all the TikTok apps you use to back up your account or export it to other services. So select data to download. You can choose all data, or you choose which one you want. Let's say I want all data. I leave it here. All data is okay. Done. Then you select the file format, text or JSON. So you can choose which one you want. Let's say I want text. I leave it like this. Click on done. Click on request data. So now my data request is being processed, and once it is processed, it has appeared under download data. When your file is ready for download, it's available for 4 days. If you submit another request, your existing file will expire. So this is my request. So it will be available for 4 days. When it is ready for download, so it will appear here. So that's it. That is how to request and download data on TikTok app. So for now, it is not ready. When it is ready, it will be available right here on the download data. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.